York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We continue to track winter weather here across central New York. At this time, focused on lake effect snow, a lot more localized compared to the widespread snow that we saw last night in the wintry mix that we saw this morning. This is a live look outside our Cooperstown camera, brought to you by Utica National. The roads are generally wet this evening and just about all places climbed above freezing. We have to be careful this time of the year because as temperatures drop below freezing, there could be some icy spots. I expect that to happen for most areas late tonight, but it might happen sooner in some of the outlying areas. Again, just something to be aware of tonight. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Stern Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are tracking a band of developing lake effect snow across northern Oneida County and southern Lewis County. This will continue to grow and move across the North Country tonight, and then it will start to settle southward as the winds turn into the northwest during the day tomorrow. There will also be some scattered snow showers across the southern valleys from Lake Erie. Our sky watchers checking in. Curtis Corners 32 degrees. West Leyden picking up 4 inches of snow from last night and early this morning. Mike in New Hartford 1.5 inches of snow. Cassville 2 inches of snow. Hartwick checking in with a temperature of 34 degrees. Cold weather continues to move over some very warm lakes, at least relatively warm lakes. We've had a very warm November, so the lakes are ready to go. We're expecting some pretty heavy lake effect snow tonight and actually over the next couple of days. The wind direction tonight favors the North Country for lake effect snow by 8 o'clock in the morning. This is where I think the band of snow will be. It's just north of the Mohawk Valley. Winds turn into the northwest. So I'm expecting this band to drop southward, occasionally impacting the Mohawk Valley as we head into tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures will be right around freezing, so the snow having a hard time sticking on the roadways. But again, can't rule out some slippery spots here during the day tomorrow in the Mohawk Valley. The band is then expected to lift to the north, so the evening commute could feature a few slippery spots in the valley. But by the time we hit sunset, the band is expected to be north of the valley, and that's where it will continue to heading into Friday. Snowfall totals 6 to 12 inches for the Tug Hill, northern Oneida County, southern Lewis County, 3 to 6 inches Boonville, Old Forge, Rome, 1 to 3 inches for the Mohawk Valley, and a trace to 1 inch of snow across the southern valleys. Now, I do want to point out one area of uncertainty, or at least the least confident part of the forecast is this area, including Rome, Utica, Little Falls, getting some suggestions that that band may drop south sooner. So we'll be keeping a close eye on that. There could be some locally higher totals in that zone. Tonight, lake effect snow down to 30 tomorrow. Lake effect snow showers, temperatures in the upper 30s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Snow showers here on Friday. Little accumulation is expected locally Friday, but there will be some heavy snow in Buffalo and the Watertown region as the lake effect snow heads north. Saturday, a sunny, cold day. Temperatures in the low 30s. Snow returns on Sunday 29, and then temperatures start to warm up. We'll be in the 40s as we look ahead to Tuesday and Wednesday.